The 81,000 army which we are developing, that is Kalki, which is basically you people. As you become awakened, each one of you belongs to that army of Kalki, and the whole army is Kalki. So you could either talk to Paranjyoti as Kalki, or to the mystical Kalki as Kalki, or when this army is ready, this whole army is Kalki, which would bring about the transformation in human consciousness. So you could have 3 points of view. Though there are 3 points of view, it's actually all one and the same. Appearing as Paranjyoti, appearing as the mystical Kalki, and appearing as this 81,000 people. So as of now, that much we could talk about Kalki. There's much more to it. Maybe as the occasion comes, we will talk more.